Yeah, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to record a quick in-depth review about this high savings account called Discover Bank. So let's dive into it. Discover Bank's high saving account is a strong option for people looking for a safe and easy way to grow their money. It offers a competitive APY, no monthly fee, and no minimum deposit, which make it accessible for anyone. You can also get FDIC insurance and access to more than 60,000 ATMs nationwide, which had convenience. The account is fully online with a user-friendly app and a customer support that's available 24/7, making it a great choice for simple, hassle-free saving. On the flip side, Discover's savings rate, while solid, is slightly lower than some of the highest paying online banks. It also doesn't offer a branch access or the ability to deposit cash, which can be a drawback for certain users. Transfer can take a couple of days, which might feel slow compared to some fintech competitors. In conclusion, Discover High Yield Savings Account is the best for those who value reliability, no hidden fee, and ease of use over chasing the very highest rate available. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the button and subscribe for more reviews.